Hi all. Today in this video we will see how we can add favicon to our project. So basically this is a Next.js project. As you can see currently we don't have any favicon. So we will see how we can add favicon. So go to Google and search favicon. Okay, and you will get any of the website. Okay, come to this W3 school website and open this website. There will be one line of code. If I show you, can you see this? Just copy this line of code and come to your project. No matters whether you are using Next.js project or React project. Just do like come whatever you have. Okay, come to your HTML and inside head. Okay, just paste this code. Okay, whatever we have copied just right now, just like paste that. After that, replace this one with your actual URL, like whatever your URL. Now I will do here slash and I will say like I will type here whatever my icon name is there dot png. Okay, now let's go to our project and let's refresh here. And guys, can you see we have got to the icon at the top. Now next, if I show you by changing the name of our project, like title. Okay, there is one title tag and I will say lit star. Okay, let me make it big. Okay, lit star. Cool. Now you will see that the create next step has been replaced with the lit star. If I refresh that, now it will come at big. Okay, can you see lit star? Okay, spelling is wrong. STAR. Okay, star. Perfect. So this is all in this video, guys. This is how you can change the code like favicon in your any of the project. Thank you.